Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. Okay, so now I'm going to make my truffle mash. I always bake my potatoes before I mash them up. It makes them drier and easier to and fluffier. So I did these earlier. These are quite small little baked potatoes. If you've got larger ones, you could, I always stick a spoon through the potatoes and bake them in the oven, and it cooks much quicker. And these are smaller, so they only took about half an hour, 45 minutes. And sometimes it can take a long time. So what I do is cut open the potato and then scoop the inside out, leaving obviously the skin behind. Get as much up as you can. And what I do then, nothing goes to waste. I'm going to use these as like a little, I'll warm them up tomorrow, and with leftover vegetables, I'll make a soup, and these will be like a little garnish, a little sort of bread. You can dip those into your soup. Okay, so now I'm going to mash up the potatoes. I put a little bit of salt in, a little bit of my famous garlicky salt in, and then I put a whole one of these sticks of butter. I don't know why, I love a stick of butter. So this is really nice butter from Waitrose. This is not for anybody on a diet, but it is close to Christmas. And then I'll put in truffle butter, sorry. You can see all the truffles in there. So try and get got a lot of them in there. And then mash it up. And you want it really kind of almost like a puree. Hence why we're using so much butter. And the baked potatoes will just be a bit fluffier and lighter. Once you've mashed it down, I would then probably use a fork to fluff it up a little bit. But I want it really, really, so you can see, really smooth. Do a quick taste test. That's lovely. Then I'll just whisk it up a little bit more with a fork. Make sure it's pretty smooth. There you go, your truffle mash.